Hi, it's Rachel. In this video, we're going to go over how to use an ad hoc workflow. When you first log into the system, you'll be brought to this dashboard. To create an ad hoc workflow, click on the Send Document for eSignature button. This will then bring you to a screen to allow you to select which workflow type you would like to use. In our use case, we want to sign a document and send the completed document to others. I will click on the Sign and Send Workflow option. After selecting my workflow type, I am then brought to a preset workflow. There are 4 things that you need to create a workflow: a description, a participant, a document, and a task. We will walk through how to do all of those. The first thing I will do is create a description. The participant setup section has already been completed, as the type of workflow that was chosen was one where I would sign the document in person. Now we are ready to move on to documents. There are multiple ways to add a document. You can upload a document from your workstation or choose a document from the Documents repository. I will upload a document directly from my workstation. The document has been successfully uploaded and I can see it is ready to tag. It currently has 0 tasks associated with it. Remember, we need 4 things to create a workflow. We entered our description, defined our participant, and uploaded a document. But now we need to tie the participant to the document using a task. To add task, we will click on the Tag Document button. The task editor will now appear on screen showing the document, the list of participants, and tasks you can add to the document. I am the only participant, so I will scroll down and drag a signature task onto the document for myself. Now that I have placed a signature, I have access to signature block data. I will drag printed name and signature date over. Once all the needed tasks are tagged, click on the green Done button to save your work and exit the task editor. Lastly, I can add email recipients that will receive an email with a copy of the signed document attached. Once I added all the needed recipients, I am then ready to start the workflow. It is good to note that when I have completed all 4 parts, you will have the option to save the workflow for later use. If you want to reuse the workflow, click on the Save button to save the workflow. Clicking on the Start Workflow button will create the transaction. The launch page will appear on screen for me to start the signing process. Once the signing ceremony is complete, the email recipients will receive an email with the signed document attached. That's our review on how to use the Sign and Send functionality. Thank you for watching.